I'm the very proud president of Georgian College. I know that if you invest time in this virtual experience today, you're going to find what a welcoming and open and outstanding college we have for you. Georgian is so much more than an education. It's an experience. We're home to this diverse and welcoming group of employees and students from all over the world, and you're going to have the kind of experience that you need because of our connection with employers that's going to help you achieve your career goals and get the kind of job you'd like. About 10 years ago, we recognized how important entrepreneurship is. We're Canada's only Ashoka Changemaker College, and we're committed to social innovation. I know you're going to get the kind of experience that you want to be able to learn the skills to change the world. Anything is possible if you come to Georgian. We're connected with over 6,200 employers. We have great co-op and internships and learning experiences and practicums that allow you to practice what you're learning. And that practice turns into skill, and that's the skill that you need to get a great job for your future. When you come to Georgian, you're more than just a student. You're part of a community. The communities that we have our campuses in all embrace our students. They encourage them to get involved in activities, and they're eager to employ them. Don't let COVID stop you from doing what you want to do in your life. It's so important that you get a good skill, a good education, and that you're able to go out to work and do and make the meaningful contribution that you want to do. So what does that mean? You're going to choose a program. We hope you're going to choose Georgian. It might be different than what it would have traditionally been, but here's what I can promise you. More than ever before, I am confident that you will get the same quality experience through this period of time, whether you're studying virtually or in class. We are so committed, and we've learned a lot about how to do virtual education, how to support our students in all kinds of ways through technology. And of course, when we're able, we're bringing students to campus to do the practicums, to do their labs, and to shore up their practicing of skills that are so vital. I recognize that this is a difficult time, and because of that, we've put two things in place that will help students. The first is a learning guarantee, and the second is the COVID Hardship Fund, $1 million to help students in need. I know you have lots of questions. We've got answers for you today. Invest the time on this virtual site. We're going to make sure that you find out everything you need to do to make the right decision for you personally. I know that you're going to discover today that what makes Georgian different is our people. We have great faculty, support staff, and administrators. I can't find anyone more committed to serving students. And you're going to find so many students from all around the world who will become your peers and probably lifetime friends. I know if you talk to a Georgian grad, they're going to tell you what an incredible place this is and how they've benefited and been able to advance their career choice. We're looking forward to you becoming a member of the Georgian Grizzly family. Have a great day.